she's, you know what, we're gonna just leave her laying down because she's tired. But it's 7 a.m. We're gonna go to the beach. She's wearing this really cute bathing suit that says "Cool like Mom," and she has glasses on. She has her glasses on. We got 2 pacifiers. This is a yogurt smoothie, a peach banana smoothie. Just a snack, just in case she gets hungry in the car ride. But we're gonna probably stop by her food place and get food. We also got a diaper and an outfit to change her into when she's done with the beach. I brought this little water toy. I thought it'd be cool if she played with it. And she also has other toys in the car. There she is. And we'll see her when she... This is her old diaper. I just took it off. Oh my god, you guys. I have been trying to find... I have this makeup bag, right? And inside the makeup bag, something is creating a massive... like a big mess. I don't know what it is. I took everything out. Nothing looked like it was making a mess. At this point, I'm pretty sure it's my foundation, my powder foundation, but I don't even know how to find it. It's like a big makeup bag. So, I don't know. I think like the smartest thing to do was like put it on the floor. That way I didn't make a mess. But anyway, we're gonna pack all this into her little baby shark bag. This is cute. This is cute, and the coolest thing is that she can carry it because it's not that, it's a very light bag. So we're gonna put everything in here. Ooh, this is a walk and a half to the beach. Whew. Yeah, what the heck? She's having so much fun playing with the sand. We just made a little starfish. The water has jellyfish, so we stopped swimming in it. Really nice. Really nice and quiet. I guess since it's early, there's nobody here. Alright, let's go. Breakfast. She's eating some potatoes and orange juice. Press my face. Yeah, my friend says she always comes from.
I like the old clothes. If not the old, but you know, like
After it was a pretty day, it decided to rain.